Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. Today, in this video, we would be having a look at Streamr, which is a decentralized time data network that helps to create, share and consume data streams on an open scalable Web3 protocol with powerful tools for monetization. So apart from having a look at what Streamr network is, I would be also talking about how you can buy their own native token, which is the data tokens, as well as how you can mine data token and get a huge APY, which is as big as 259%. We are now on the official page of Streamr, which is streamr.network, and as you can see, if you mine the data tokens, you can earn up to 259% of APY. In order to get started, go to the first link that I have provided in my video description, and it would redirect you to the page that talks about the steps on setting up a broker node. Before you actually proceed to set up a broker node, you first need to install Docker on your system. If you do not have the Docker software, simply click on this link and it would redirect you to this particular page. Docker is available in 3 different OS, which is Mac, Windows as well as for Linux. As I am using a Windows system, I'll be clicking on the Windows and then click on this option, which is Docker Desktop for Windows. And as you can see, the Docker file has now started to download. Once after the download has been completed, simply click on that link, and as you can see, it would first download various packages, and after the downloading of packages has been over, click on the OK, and it would take around 2 to 3 minutes for a successful installation. Once after the installation has been completed, you need to click on the option which is close and restart, and it would then restart your computer.
A few moments later.
So guys, once after the successful installation of Docker has been completed, the very first thing that we need to do is we need to set up a directory. And as you can see, here is the command for making up of a new directory. Simply copy that coding and then open the software which is Windows PowerShell. After the PowerShell software has been opened, simply paste the coding which we had copied earlier, and as I had already created a directory before making of this particular video, I would add an extra character at the end. We have successfully created a directory named as Streamr Docker 1. Then the second step is to configure our node. And guys, you can see the coding for both Linux as well as for Windows user. As I am a Windows user, I'll be simply copying this particular coding and then paste it over here and then click on the enter. Let us wait for a few seconds, and it would ask you if you want to generate a new Ethereum wallet or you can import an existing one. You can choose any one of that as per your convenience, but I would suggest you to please create a new wallet. So I'll be clicking on the enter, and as you can see, it has successfully generated a new Ethereum wallet. It is now asking me if I want to display my private key over here or not. For that, you can simply click on the Y, which means yes. But as I'm recording a video as of now, I'll be clicking on the N. It is now asking me the details of which plugins I want to install. In the tutorial by Streamr, it simply says that you need to click on the enter and it would automatically install the default plugins. Now guys, once after the installation of plugins has been completed, it is asking us whether or not we want to participate in the staking. Click on the yes, and after that the next step that they are asking is to select a path. Again click on the enter. We are now successfully connected with the Streamr network, and here's the direct link of the node that has been generated. So I'll be simply copying and then pasting over here, and as you can see the list of all the different nodes that has been created. Let us now proceed to the step 3, wherein we would be starting the broker node using the Docker. So what I'll be doing is I'll be simply copying this particular coding and then pasting onto the PowerShell. If this particular step is successful, we will be able to see something like this. And as you can see friends, we are seeing exactly what is shown on the tutorial. So our connection has been successfully established. Let me now open my Docker software, and as you can see, a new node named as Musing Query has been generated. And if I simply open the nodes, you can see our connection has been successfully established. The next step is to install Metamask on our PC. For that, let us go to the website which is metamask.io. Once we are on this website, you need to simply click on the download now, then choose the particular browser you are currently using. As I am choosing Chrome, I'll be clicking on install Metamask for Chrome. As I had already installed, I'll be simply opening my Metamask, and the next step is to click on the avatar and choose the option which is import account. And guys, here we need to insert the private key of the Ethereum wallet that we had created. If you simply go to the PowerShell, and in this particular option, if you have selected yes, you would see the private key of yours directly on this particular page. As I had created no, what I'm gonna do is I'll be simply going to my file manager, therein I'll be opening the C drive and then choose the users option. You need to then click on the system name. In my case it is Aspire. And guys, here are the 3 different directories that I had created initially. I'll be opening the first one, which is .streamer docker. After that, I'll be opening the config folder. And here friends, you can see default.json, which would be having my private keys. And in order to able to see the private keys, simply right click on this particular folder and then click on the open with. After that, choose more apps and then open this file with Notepad. My private keys has been successfully displayed. Simply double click on it, copy that private key, go back to Metamask and paste that private string, click on the import. And as you can see, I have now imported the Ethereum wallet that I had created few minutes ago. The next step is to add the Polygon network. For that, simply click on the networks option and then choose add networks. And I have added the link in the description below for the details that you need to insert over there. First step is to insert the network name, which is Polygon. Then the second step is to insert the RPC URL. Simply copy and paste this particular URL. Third step is to insert the chain ID, which is 137. Then in the currency symbol, insert Matic and then paste the block explorer URL. Once done, click on the save. Guys, we have now successfully imported the Polygon network in our Metamask wallet. Now let me teach you how we can buy the data tokens. We are on the CoinMarketCap page of the Streamr network. And as I told earlier, data is the own native token of Streamr. And this is the current price for the data tokens. Here is the list of all the exchanges wherein data token has been listed, and the list also includes Binance, which is one of the world's biggest crypto exchange. If you decide to choose a centralized exchange in order to buy the data tokens, then I would be suggesting you to please use Binance exchange, because the withdrawal fees for data tokens is way cheaper in Binance compared to any other centralized exchanges. And guys, in this tutorial, I have decided to use a decentralized exchange. But before that, what I'm gonna do is I'll be simply copying the contract address, go to my Metamask, click on the custom tokens and then paste the contract address and then click on the import token. As you can see, I right now have 0 data tokens in my wallet. The DEX that I'll be using for this tutorial is QuickSwap. Let me click on the connect a wallet, choose the Metamask option and then click on the connect. After that, I'll be clicking on select a token, paste the contract address and then click on the add. I have successfully imported data token in the QuickSwap exchange, and the token using which I'll be buying the data token is the USDC. You may choose to stake minimum of 0 tokens and a maximum of over 10,000 data tokens. And if you have anything more than 10,000 tokens, you won't be rewarded for that particular tokens. For example, if you have over 30,000 data tokens, your reward would be capped for just 10,000 data tokens. In this particular tutorial, I'll be buying a total of 1005 data tokens, which cost over 76 USDC. Let me click on approve USDC and then click on the confirm. The next step is to simply click on the swap and then click on the confirm swap. Let us now wait until the purchase has been completed. You can see friends, it just took me over few seconds for a successful transaction, and I have successfully purchased a total of over 1005 data tokens. And in order to be able to mine, all you need to do is simply hold the data token in your wallet, and whenever the Docker software is running, you will be automatically mining the data tokens. If you want to have a look at what is the total number of tokens that you have mined, all you need to do is simply go to this link which I have provided in the video description, and all you need to do is paste your Polygon address into this particular field and then click on this scan. And guys, it would show you what is your claim count, claim percentage, as well as the total accumulated rewards. As I had purchased the data tokens just a few minutes ago, so it would take some hours for it to reflect in this particular website. So guys, I hope that you have understood everything that I have taught in this particular video. So thank you for watching this video. Goodbye and see you in the next video.
It's not a game.